Check out this 2014 Jeep Compass Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, clock, in-radio display, cruise control, external temperature display, front seat type, bucket, front-wheel drive, head airbags, curtain first and second row and interior air filtration. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.